friends, and welcome back to this another videos. And in these videos we are diving into some of the most commonly used mathematical functions in Excel. So which is the sum functions, average functions, count and round functions, and these are essentials for any type of calculations in Excel, from financials like reports to academic print rates and sales tracking. So let's discover, or let's start with the real example to understand how they actually work. So you'll find this mathematical functions here, and we will discover one by one. So at first I will show you a simple data set. Let's say this is the sections for salespersons, and after that this is the sections of a product, and even it sold, and after that the unit price. And if I add some names of salespersons, like let's say Alice and Bob, and let's say David and Peter, and I will add the products. Let's say pen and book, and that's a pencil. So this is the pencils and notebook. And if I add the unit sold items, like there's a pay 50 items and 30 items, 70s and 40s, and I will address some unit price. Let's say 5.25 per unit dollars, and $15.75, and let's say 3.1 and let's say 22.5. So this is our simple data set, and I will press Ctrl T to make this into a table. Now we are going to calculate the total units and the averages units and the number of sales entries and the round total revenues. So at first I will use the sum function. So here I will call the sum functions, and then I will just the items to summed up. So this is a 190s. This is the total units sold. So we can use the sum whenever you want to a total range of values actually, and after that I will use the average function. So I will call the average functions, and I will select this, and then if I calculate the main value or main number of units sold, so I will just select this numbers, and this is the 47.5, and use this to find the average, max scores and sales, etc. And now I will use the count functions. So I will call the count functions, and then I want to count the units sold, and like I will select this, and then I will press enter. Then this is the actually for, so this is full for knowing how many values exist in a range actually. And after that I will use the round functions. So I will call the round functions, and then I will just we can actually round the functions. Like here I will use the sum functions. This is like if I select, and the sum of the number is let's say these are the numbers, and then I will use 2. So this is a 47.66, or let's say, or let's say if I round the numbers, if I select the number is, so you have an entered too many arguments in these positions, like a numbers and number digits. Let's say if I select the number and I will enter the number of outfit. So I'll go to the function arguments, and this is the numbers. In this, the round number specified the number of digits you should want to round, so I want to in this. So in this 2 digits, so it will appear like that. So this is the process, and so these are the basic manufacture functions, and they are actually when to use but incredibly powerful. So you are dealing with the numbers, so practice on the own data and try combining them with the more advanced formulas. So I hope you're understanding the process. So this is all for today, and in the next video I'll discuss about some other exciting things. Okay.